Hi, welcome to Robbie's Repair Tips, and today we're going to be breaking down how to fix the poop compressor in your Ford Taurus. Now, the PP and poo-poo compressor in a Ford Taurus is actually really easy to change if you just follow the instructions in this video.
Alright, so as you guys can see, there is the PP reservoir. That means that the poo-poo machine filter isn't too far. So what we want to do though is find the poop compressor. So you see this belt right here? That belt is going to be connected to the poo-poo compressor. That's a technical term. So as you can see down there, that is the poo-poo compressor clutch hub. And right here is the poopy compressor right there. So you're going to want to yank that out, take off the belt. There'll be 3 8mm sockets in there. As you can see, there's one easy reach up there. I'd recommend jacking it up to get the other two.
Here's my friend Owen, and he was one of the first people that I knew that his poop compressor went out in his 2004 Ford Taurus. Owen, do you want to tell us about that?
Yeah, sure, I'd love to. So, I was just driving one day, and then suddenly my Ford Taurus just started, sputting out.
Was there pee-pee and poo-poo all over the highway?
Not really, just inside my car.
Oh, did it get on you?
It did that comedic thing where it hit just right around there was like a bit of a silhouette.
What would be some tips for people when you change out your poop compressor?
Don't eat it.
As you can see here is the pee-pee poo-poo compressor, or the poo-poo compressor to most people. As you can see, it's a very small part, but it's critical for running your engine and making sure that no pee-pee and poo-poo goes to the cab of the car. As you can see here is the food intake. Here is the pee-pee poo-poo output. So this sends the poo-poo onto the road and into the air. Here is usually where the pee-pee comes out to go into the pee-pee reservoir. So buy a new one. You can't clean these things. If you try to clean one, you will die.